Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you the story of Johnny Appleseed. You know who was Johnny? Johnny was a very hard-working, a kind-hearted farmer. His farm was full of corn, his trees were full of fruits. But still, Johnny was not happy, he was not satisfied. You know why? Because he wanted to help the poor people. He wanted to help others. He wanted to do something for the poor and the needy people. So one day he left his home and went on a long way. On the way he gave all his belongings, even his clothes and shoes, to the poor. And he himself wore some old sacks from the farm and a pan on his head as a hat. On the way, he stopped at every door and asked for a few apples. There, the people had many apples, so they happily gave him a few of them. Johnny took those apples. Soon, Johnny had lots of apples in his bag. Johnny took out his knife and took out the core of all those apples and went to the wide fields. Then he dug some holes with his knife in the field and planted those apple seeds, each of the apple cores, in the holes he dug. Soon the apple trees grew bigger and they also had apples. Johnny sold those apple trees, and with the money he got, he again helped the poor and again asked for a few more apples, and again he planted apples. People loved him and called him Johnny Appleseed because he planted many more apple trees, so people called him Johnny Appleseed. Now, along with those apples, people also gave him cuttings and clippings of some other fruit trees also, like peach, plum, pear. So, Johnny planted those fruit trees also, and soon all the wide fields, all the empty fields and barren lands, they became orchards. All the barren land also became orchard, and those trees had many apples the trees had. In the evening, Johnny used to sit with the children and told them wonderful stories about the way he had. Johnny told children wonderful stories, and people loved him a lot because he was helping each and everyone. He used to help everyone, so people also loved him a lot, and they called him Johnny Appleseed. Actually, his name was Johnny, but people loved him a lot, so they called him Johnny Appleseed. One day, when Johnny died, even after his death, people used to sit under those apple trees in those orchards and say, the good man Johnny had planted these orchards. These are Johnny's orchards. These are Johnny's apple trees. So that's all in the story. Bye for now. See you in the night.